Hey, if you're sick of struggling to make ends meet, and you're frustrated about not seeing enough money in your bank account, maybe worried about what the future holds, then I've got the perfect solution for you. Would you like $1,000 commissions over and over and over again without having to pay a penny for traffic? Because in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to explain how to do this. I want you to forget everything you know about affiliate marketing and picture this instead. Number 1, we give you free traffic. Number 2, our smart system has a unique way of handling traffic so that it sticks and then multiplies. This is our secret sauce. Then finally, number 3, $1,000 a pop, over and over and over. With the typical affiliate marketing that you may have dabbled with before, you generate a visitor. Maybe that visitor buys or doesn't, but it stops there. You make a bit of money or you make nothing, but it's over. With the SPYDER system, every visitor is multiplied into hundreds or even thousands more visitors for free, and it literally never stops multiplying. The SPYDER system keeps going. Even if you stop, it doesn't matter, because the spider is designed to keep crawling forever, bringing more and more into your accounts daily. And that's why the SPYDER system is so amazing. The smart SPYDER system creates viral webs of passive income that grow exponentially over time. All you have to do is select where you want to be paid, whether it's to your bank account or to PayPal. The choice is yours. Everything else is automated instantly. This is finally, for the first time ever, a legitimate and real business in a box that you can rely on to keep running in the background 24/7, 365. It doesn't matter whether you're sleeping, watching a new movie on Netflix, or eating dinner at a 5-star restaurant, or boarding an airplane for an exotic vacation or retreat. The SPYDER system keeps running with virtual webs of passive income that continues to grow without needing any maintenance or monitoring. You don't need a website. You don't need an email list. You don't need experience. And also, forget about paid traffic or losing any of your hard-earned money. This is a 100% free solution. Yes, when you activate the SPYDER, you'll never have to pay another dime again. And yes, it's very affordable when you consider what you're getting in exchange for your hard-earned dollars. There's no monthly fee, it's a one-time investment only. But you're probably skeptical right now, and that's a good thing. We want you to be skeptical. There are a lot of bogus and overhyped BS apps and systems out there. So how do you know this one is truly the real deal? Well, you don't. You just have to take our word for it, which I understand is not easy to do these days. So what we can do is give you a no-risk incentive to give this one a try. Here's how it works. Buy the SPYDER system. Activate 5 webs. Each web takes about 30 seconds per web. If you don't make at least $500 in your first week, then send us a message and we will give you double your money back. In addition to that, there's a full 365 days money back guarantee. In other words, there is no risk. Try it, make money, or we give you back double. Does that sound fair to you? You'll find more information about the SPYDER system on this page. Read through it if you want. When you're ready, click the buy button and grab this now before we raise the price or turn this into a monthly subscription. And we'll see you in the members area.